Pascal is where you design and build your home in 3D. But building on your own is only half of the experience. Pascal Community is where the rest of it happens, a place to discover what other people are creating and to share your own projects, items, and renders with everyone else. When you open Community, the Explore page gives you a taste of everything at once. A few projects, a few items, a few renders, all made by other Pascal users. Projects have their own dedicated page. Hover over one, and you get an instant preview of the building in 3D. Click on it, and it expands into a full 3D preview, together with all the renders attached to it. In the top right corner, you can duplicate the project to open your own copy in the editor and start building from it. Or simply copy the link and share it with anyone. And in the comments section, you can discuss the project, ask how something was made, or leave some feedback to the creator. Speaking of that, the bell in the top right of Pascal Community keeps you up to date. Every like, every comment, and every new follower shows up in your notifications. Then there is the Items section. This is where you discover items created or generated by other users, ready to be used in your own projects. And Renders is where you can browse galleries of images and videos, all made with Pascal Studio. If you enjoy what someone is making, follow them, and you will not miss their next creation. Now, how do you appear in the community yourself? In the top right, click on Publish. It shows you everything you can share, your projects, your items, and your renders. Let's pick a project and publish it. Publishing a project opens the editor, so you can take the perfect snapshot for your listing. Or, if you prefer, you can use one of your renders instead. From there, you attach the renders you want to show, give your project a name and a description, and pick the relevant categories, which are already pre-filled for you by AI. You also stay in full control. You decide whether other users can duplicate your project and whether your 3D scans and floor plans are visible. Once everything looks good, hit Publish. Your project page is now live and available to every Pascal user. Last thing, click on your username on the left and open your profile. You can choose a custom banner to give it your own style. And by editing your profile, you can set your display name and add your social links. Your profile is also where you find the users you follow, the ones following you, and all of your public projects, renders, and items. So, what are you waiting for? Go show your talent on Pascal Community.